Making custom textures is pretty straightforward. First we're going to go to the templates folder, and in this case we're going to be using a color template. Let's go with the default sword. Now, put that into your photo editor of choice. In this case I'm using Photoshop because I have it. And we're just going to do hue and saturation. So let's say we want this kind of off blue color. That's it. And you can also overlay your own textures here. These kind of random parts are just part of the handle. This is the main blade. After you're done with your changes, export it as PNG and keep the name of the file the way it is, Sword and Miss. Next, you're going to need Unreal Engine. You don't need to know anything about it, so don't worry. You just need to install it and create a new game. Make it blank, and you can name it whatever you want. Wait for that to generate. Once that's loaded, go in the file and create a new empty level. From there, you're going to go to where you saved your image. Here's our image, and you just drag and drop it here. Now you click on it, you hit Control S to save it, then you just go to File and hit Cook Content for Windows. Once that's done, you go to the file of your project, which is usually stored in Documents, then Unreal Project. You go to your project, you go to Saved, Cooked, Windows No Editor, My Project 5, Content. Now these three files here are going to be the template you just created here. Now you're going to navigate back to AnyColor. Yo, what's up? That was the old version. Now the way you do it is you select this, you go to some random weapon and go into the custom folder. From here you're going to copy white weapons, and this includes the manifest that you can change to whatever. In this case you're going to be calling it like a sword thing, misspelled intentionally, and I'm going to keep that description the same. From here we're going to delete everything except for the sword and drag those files we just created in Unreal into this folder. From here you're going to change texture data to name it accordingly, off blue sword, and make sure that the weapon type correlates with one of the weapons available from the default white weapons textures pack. That should be it. Just go into AnyColor and select your weapon and make sure it appears. Off blue sword. There it is. There it is. There's a little more than that. I forgot the thing. So once you test it in game, head on over back to AnyColor, navigate to the custom folder, and zip up your completed weapon. In this case we're going to call it off blue. Compress that into a compressed folder and make an account with Nexus Mods. This allows you to upload the custom texture onto the Swords of Gura Nexus Mods page, which allows you to share it effectively with everyone in the community. That's it.